can Jane Street and other global trading giants entered India only after 2020? The answer isn't just volumes but predictability. So between 2019 and 2024, India's derivative trading volume grew by nearly 40 times. We became the largest derivative market in the world by volume. But what must have caused this sudden explosion? The first reason is rise of retail traders. So back in 2018, everyday investors like you and me made up just 2% of derivatives trading. And by 2024, that number had jumped to 41%, which means retail trading volumes estimatedly jumped by 820 times. Trading accounts went from 3.6 crores to 15 crores in just these 5 years. But why did retail grow so much? Because mobile trading apps made it effortless to open accounts. Social media was full of trading tips and success stories. And derivatives gave people the thrill of big wins with small investments. And as these millions of new traders joined in, and over time, their behavior started showing patterns. Second reason is weekly options changed the game. Earlier, most options expired once a month, but around 2020, the exchanges introduced weekly expiries. These contracts were cheaper and required less capital and moved very fast. You could enter with just ₹10 and exit within minutes. This made derivatives accessible and addictive for a large number of retail traders like you and me who were chasing short-term gains. And that's where firms like Jane Street saw an opportunity. India's market had become the perfect playground. Unlike Western markets, our derivative space is dominated by retail traders. And retail behavior, especially at a scale, tends to be predictable. People often buy and sell at the same time, especially near expiry. They react similarly to news, trends, and FOMO, and that creates short, repeatable price swings. And high-frequency trading firms with their algorithm and speed advantage love this kind of setup because they're faster and better at spotting this kind of crowd. In 2024 alone, Jane Street made over 19,500 crore in profit from equity derivatives in India. And to put that in perspective, that's more than the annual revenue of Britannia, which is 17,000 crores. And they did it without selling a single biscuit. So the question is, why is India attractive to global trading firms? Because we are not just a massive market, we are a market full of patterns, and the players who move fastest wins. It's something like shampoo coming in small sachets. Same product, smaller pack, lower cost, and mass adoption.